I think there's so many funny animals
Would you like to
here.
touch it? Would you like to touch?
I just want to see.
Yeah, they are so happy there. You can feed them some more.
Ya, ada orang datang ni.
They're so hungry. Who's waiting? Let's see this one. Which plant? The one pokok keladi. A nice deer. There's a lot at the back. Can you see that? It look like the sheep. The poop. What is that? A cat? A kind of a cat. Let's see.
Just like a video.
Oh, what kind of cat is this? Normal cat.
I love to see peacock.
I love to see peacock too. Kita nak kembangkan lagi. Kembangkanlah, kembangkanlah.
Wow.
Kalau kembang ya.
Sekejap nanti. Harap dulu nak kembangkanlah. Hello silver pheasant. Nice to meet you. Who's your friend? Why do you want to go country? Looks so cute.
What is it? Hey, he's looking at us. It sounds like that.
Quack, 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 quack.
They're bullies. I think
How
that's
many? Just two.
maybe.
You dig a hole? For what?
I think maybe it wants to go in.
Maybe he wants to eat some food lah. Pity them.
But if it was, I mean, he is snug. Hey, what is that doing?
They're resting.
Maybe they are tired.
I think yes. They are still in front.
May bisa makan aja loh.
Dia macam tak sihat dah.
Kenapa?
Seems like it's unhealthy. Pity him.
Why is it unhealthy?
Now we've got insufficient food.
Oh.
Pity him. I don't know what sound is this. It did not produce a sound at all.
He do like this. Honey, look. He do like this.
Yes. The face is so cute.
What a sign. Honey, kenapa dia buat sama?
I think they're hungry for food.
He says,
Rhea.
food, food.
This is a Pedro. This one.
Hey. Emergency.
Yes.
Hey, is that
Sounds
like,
so cute.
it's talking about the Sujati maybe? Hey, what's over there?
What is that?
There, there, there. Look at that.
Pigeon.
Gigi. Hey, why did you talk to me? That is so funny. Hey, Mom, it moved its tummy.
Yeah. Hi, Froggy.
Hey, over there, there's another.
What is this? Let's see. Ooh, the big frog over there. Is it a bullfrog? Can you see that?
Bullfrog.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
This one. Albino Pac-Man frog.
Oh,
Ooh, so scary.
that's a double name. The face is cool.
Rabbit. So fat.
Ribbit.
Okay.
I think there's so many funny animals
Would you like to
here.
touch it? Would you like to touch?
I just want to see. Okay.
Let's see. Ooh.
What happened? Hey, I think he's
Tet, tet,
around.
tet. You can touch if you want to. And also a guinea pig. Boleh?
Guinea pig? Why is guinea pig?
Yang dia buka tu boleh. Nibble.
Just like at Papia's home.
Yes. This is guinea pig.
I
So
think,
it's nibble.
guinea pig is a friend for a nibble.
There's a lot of guinea pigs over there.
Hey, look, it's your...
Just stay there. And this blue
What's
light.
they on food? I
Ooh.
don't know what's they on.
It's Australian dumpy tree frog. Dumpy tree. What is this?
Hey, over there, there's another.
Huh? Apa tu?
Hey, over there, there's another.
There? Oh, snap picture first. Hello, Sking. Can give it to
You can touch.
Sking. Ooh.
Lina.
Hey, it produced its own tongue.
Hey. It's a cute one.
You can touch.
I just can see them.
It's moving. Mancingnya dia. Boleh je, Mia? Just want to see. Okay.
It's nice.
I think it's a good friend. Mana pegang, Mak? This is corn snake. You see? Belakang sikit.
There's a diesel going in the home.
Uh-oh.
Why just stop there? It's not
This is
a motor.
citrus bearded dragon.
Yeah?
Tak gerak pun.
Kenapa dia ada gula?
Tak apa dia gerak tu. Come. Wow!
I think
It's
he has
jumping.
his power back.
Yes. What inside? Leopard gecko. You see the gecko here?
Yeah. He's sleeping.
Ah, he's sleeping.
But if you want to sleeping fun, sleeping there. Hey, what are those?
Brazilian crocodile, if I'm not mistaken.
I think there's so many of them. I wonder. Why. Hey, what's that?
Which one? Here, we call it burung baji.
Why he got that?
Maybe they miss their home. They're supposed to live outside. Okay, then let's get in. There's a bunny here. Nanti ada bunnies. Okay, he's a friend. You can touch. Eh,
He's not angry.
he's not angry. This is kind of pet. Go. You can touch if you want to. This one shy, I think. Maybe just... Oh yes, you show we touch it. There's another. Nak pegang yang? Yang tadi depan tu yang manja sangat. Yes, what is this? Hi friend. He's run away. Carefully Dina. What's that? What do you see?